if you can fix it easily in frame stage. You know, in some parts of the country, state of Florida, for example, it's so humid that you could check for boat studs, get them all fixed one day, come back the next week, and there's a bunch more. So it's something that that you should always check out in frame stage. And you see how I got all mine marked here. So I'll come back. It's pretty easy to fix, actually. There's a few ways to fix these guys. You can cut a slice in it on a non-bearing wall. You cut a slice in it, drive a nail in it, and push the stud back into the plane. Actually, this one has to go this way. So there's ways to fix these things that aren't... there's also, you can notch it out, put a board between the two. I've seen all kinds of ways of fixing boat studs other than adding another one next to it or replacing it. So there's very easy ways to fix these things, and now's the time to find them and fix them before they install sheetrock. So get a tip for the day, right? Steve Graff, Inspector Graff. Let's get these things done right.